On my Kubota Z725, when I engage the PTO and blades, the blades will not engage.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Kubota tool or machine? How old is it?
About a month ago.
How long has this been going on with your Kubota? What have you tried so far?
Only been going on today. And tried engaging at a stop and under forward power.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I know of.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer.
Hopefully.
With the key on, do not start the engine, flip on the PTO switch. Does the PTO magnet close/click under the engine? If it does, the PTO clutch is okay, and you have a belt problem between the PTO pulley and the deck blades.
It sure clicks when you engage the PTO.
Then the deck belt is off a pulley or broken.
How do I diagnose which one it is?
You need to physically look at the deck belt and see if it is loose or broken.
It appears to have come off the belt tensioner. Is that common?
No, usually happens when a stick goes over the deck and flips belt off.
Let me try to set it back on. Stand by, please.
Idler arm should have a square for a breaker bar. Use bar to pull the idler back and slip over the belt and release.
Got the belt back on. Fires it up and it launched the belt back off.
Are all the pulleys free on the deck? Or is one locked? Do the blades turn free?
They all move freely.
Do you have the manual for the deck that gives the belt routing? Need to double check the routing of the belt, and check the pulleys for the belt guides that should keep the belt in place.
Double checking that now.
Okay.
It seemed to stay on track after a startup. Popped back off in motion.
Can you tell which pulley it is coming off of? Is the belt guide close to the pulley, so belt can't slip off?
The tensioner is the one it appears to be coming off. That's the only one I had to set this time.
Does it have a belt guide, a piece to keep the belt on? The deck is not shown with the tractor, it has its own model number.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.